Today we are making a coconut pumpkin custard. First we want to start with boiling water. Turn that on a high heat. We're going to then crack our eggs and give them a nice light beat. We're going to add in our sugar. Give that a nice light whisk. We can add in our vanilla. We have some great coconut milk, a great healthy fat to add in to any dish. Once that's all blended, we want to add in all our spices. So first we're going to add in our salt and our spices. We have some great flavors and they'll help bring out our pumpkin. We have some cinnamon, clove, ginger, and nutmeg. Can't go wrong with the fall spices. We want to add in our pumpkin puree and give that a nice light whisk, just until blend. You don't really want to over mix this. Now that we're all blended, we're going to just pour this right into our measuring cup, and this just makes it for a nice, easy, clean pour. So we just want to pour these in and fill it about 2/3 of the way up. Now that our hot pot of boiling water is ready, we're going to pour in about 2 inches up the side of the ramekin dish to allow the ramekins to cook evenly and give us a nice, smooth, creamy texture in our custard. We're going to first move and open our oven, pulling out one of the bottom racks, placing our pan on that rack before we fill it with water. We're going to remove our pot from the heat. We want to very carefully bring it to our oven and pour in the water. And we'll set our timer for 45 minutes or just until the custard has set. Wow, the kitchen smells delicious. Let's check on our custards. They look beautiful and they have set up. So we're going to go ahead and take our tongs and we're going to remove them one by one, allowing the water to stay in the oven until it's cooled off and ready to be removed. Very carefully placing our ramekins on each plate. This is a really great, healthy alternative to a pumpkin pie. You still get that same smooth creaminess as a pumpkin pie, but a lot less fat. So we have some really great whipped topping. We're gonna put that, a nice little dollop on each. And now for my favorite part, we're gonna top it off with a light sprinkle of cinnamon. Enjoy. You'll eat better when you bring healthy cooking into your kitchen.